best gold intercept at the history of the Bousquet Project. Here to tell me all about it is the Managing Director of Olympio Metals. Sean, I'm not even going to ask how you are because I bet you're great with results like these. Mate, take me through the numbers.
Thank you, Shane. Yeah. Look, we are. This was the results from hole 63, which is the fourth hole we did in that last program. We completed 1,700 meters of drilling at Bousquet. But yeah, look, you don't often get sort of 19 meters or 17 grams per ton gold in an intercept. That's just they're sort of rare. They're rare numbers to see. So look, we've had a lot of beautiful core, over the sort of programs we've done, but it's just really rewarding to get these sort of numbers. And there was a couple of meters at plus 100 grams in that intercept. So yeah, sort of super excited about the possibility. If you can imagine those sort of grades, you don't need a huge sort of area, to really start accumulating ounces quickly. So yeah, look, they're really nice numbers, and let's hope that we can continue hitting those sort of grades around that area.
I know there's still 6 holes that you're waiting on assay results for. So what are some of the broader plans happening here at the Bousquet Project?
Yes, correct. So we still have assays coming in for another 6 holes that we completed there. So they'll be in over the next few weeks. We prioritize the assays on this hole that had the visible gold in it. And yeah, look, we're just continually sort of upgrading the geological model and what this sort of looks like, and so we'll incorporate all the assays once we've got them. But yeah, I've told the team over there to book a rig in for May, because rigs are sort of pretty busy in that area. So yeah, look, we obviously plan to get back out there, put some more holes in the ground in May, when the weather's sort of warming up again. So yeah, look forward to sort of continually generating news, over the next year at the Bousquet Project.
I know the Bousquet Project is enjoying a lot of success at the moment, but you recently started due diligence on 2 silver and antimony projects in the US. How's that looking, Sean?
Yeah, we did. Yeah, we announced as part of our capital raising just recently. So yeah, after a PDIC conference, I went over to Idaho to the town of Coeur d'Alene, and Scout Discovery, sort of an excellent, large, sort of fully integrated exploration group. Their chief geo took me out to the Raven and Silver King. We found the edit, so we had to look at the ground. So we're just working through sort of the technical aspects of what the project looks like and how we can get on the ground and get approvals, and sort of what work we can do this year. So just still working through that project, but obviously silver is, look, we think the sort of long-term outlook for silver, it looks great. So interesting part of the world to operate in, for sure.
It certainly is. Listen, Sean, congratulations on this visible gold and these great results out of Bousquet. And I can't wait to see what else happens with your silver and antimony projects. Thank you so much for your time today.
Super. Thank you, Shay.